Welcome back to the Automation Mentor. In this tutorial, we're talking about make webhooks, how to set them up, test with Postman, understand queues and instant triggers, and properly handle rate limits like the 429 too many request error. If you've ever struggled with webhooks firing too slowly or scenarios hitting limits, this guide is for you. First, what exactly is a webhook in Make? A webhook is a unique URL that lets an external system send data into your Make scenario instantly. Instead of constantly checking for updates, the webhook notifies Make the moment something happens, like a new order, form submission, or payment confirmation. In short, Make webhooks are used to trigger scenarios instantly without polling. To create a webhook, open your scenario and add a webhook module. Select a custom webhook, give it a name, and Make will generate a unique URL. Copy that URL. This is where your external system, or in our case Postman, will send requests. Keep in mind, webhooks are scenario-specific. Each one is unique and can be connected to different apps or events. Now, let's test our webhook with Postman. Open Postman, create a new request, set the method to post, and paste your webhook URL. In the body, choose raw and set it to JSON. Send a simple payload, like name John Doe, email johnexample.com. Back in Make, hit Run once and you'll see the data instantly captured by the webhook module. This part is important. Scenario scheduling and execution frequency. When you enable your run scenario immediately, Make starts the scenario as soon as it's triggered, for example, when new data arrives or a condition is met. It's perfect for time-sensitive automations that need to react right away. Then, there's the maximum runs to start per minute setting. This controls how many executions can begin within 1 minute. If too many triggers arrive at once, Make will automatically queue the extra runs and process them later. This balance between speed and control helps your automations stay fast, reliable, and stable, even under heavy traffic. By default, when Make receives a webhook, it responds with 200 OK once it captures the data. But you can customize responses in Make, for example, returning a JSON message like a status received back to the sender. This is especially useful if the external system requires confirmation. Now, the big one, rate limits. If you send too many requests too quickly, Make might return a 429 too many requests error. According to the official documentation, the key here is exponential backoff. That means if you get a 429, your client should wait a short delay, then retry, increasing the delay each time until the request succeeds. This prevents hammering the webhook and ensures smoother performance under heavy loads. Before you go live, here's a quick production checklist. Always test with Postman before connecting real apps. Monitor your queues in Make to catch bottlenecks. Customize webhook responses when needed. Implement retry logic for 429 rate limits. And document your webhook URLs securely, never expose them publicly. And that's how you master Make webhooks, from setup and testing to handling queues and rate limits like a pro. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check the links below for more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.